Okay, welcome back to Language Arts, and today we're doing lesson 13. So in your binders, there's actually going to be quite a few pages. So you're going to see this page, it's 13.1, and then behind it you're going to see 13.2, and then behind those, these are the two homework pages, 13.3 and 13.4. So all 4 pages you're going to need. Okay, so you can take those papers out if you want to, or you can leave them in the binder, however you're choosing to do it. But let's start with the tricky words. And I think pretty soon we're gonna start adding more tricky words to our little pile, okay? So, but for right now, we're just gonna keep going over the ones that we have. So let's do this again. What is this word? The, a or a, of, all, from, one, and that's like the number 1. And the last one, was. Okay, good job. All right, we're gonna go right to this first page, 13.1. I know it has a lot of words on this. So the first thing you're gonna put is your name across that top line. So go ahead and do that if you haven't done it already. And this page is going to be a true or false. So you are going to read the sentence, and if it's something that is true, you're going to circle the thumbs up. If it's something that is not true or false, you're going to circle the thumbs down. Okay? So I'm going to help do the first one. Ooh, tricky word. What is that? One kid in class has wings. One kid in class has wings. Do any of you guys have wings? No. All right, so are we going to circle true or false? We're going to circle the thumbs down because that is false. There's nobody in our class that has wings. So let's go ahead and circle it. Okay, I'm going to do number 2 with you, and then I think you guys can do the rest. This time I'm going to sound out all of the sounds. T, a, sh, trash, k, a, n, can, s, l, smell, b, a, d, bad. Trash can smell bad. Can trash smell bad? Yes. So you're going to circle the thumbs up. Okay, so I think you guys can do the rest. Some of these trickier sounds are in the darker black letters. So remember, like, these make the same sound, so it's just k. And then those double letter consonants, it makes that one sound. And then all tricky words are underlined. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and there's no backside. All right, so go ahead and finish up that page. You can pause the video if you would like, or you can come back to it at the end. But for right now, we're going to move on to our next story. So again, I have it up on my computer. So the story we're going to read today, it's in your Unit 8 Reader Sam, And this story is called The Chills. Okay, we have The Chills. And so that's actually the only vocabulary word we're going to know today. Chills. So to have the chills, it means like you're shivering if you're cold. Sometimes you say it's chilly outside. Okay, so if your body is shaking because you're so cold, then you have the chills. Okay, so go ahead and go to this story in your reader book. I'm going to read through it, and then I want you to try to read it on your own. Okay, so just follow along with me as I read it to you. I'm going to move it a little bit closer. Sam met Chad at the pond. Chad left his pants on the sand. Sam left his pants on a big rock. Chad got in. Splash! You remember this punctuation? What that's called? It's a big word. Exclamation point. And remember, that means that you don't say it, you have to kind of say it loud. So, splash! Then Sam got in. Splish! Okay, so there is Sam and Chad, and they jumped into the pond. Sam and Chad go swimming in the pond. The sun was hot, but the pond was not. Chad and Sam got the chills. So the pond was cold, and there they are. They're shivering because they're so cold. Sam ran up on the rock and got his pants. Chad ran up on the sand, but Max, the dog, had his pants. Chad ran and got his pants back from Max. Oh no, so the dog took Chad's pants and ran away with them. Okay, that's the whole story. That's kind of a funny one. All right, so go ahead and students, you can read that story to a parent or sibling, but you can listen to this over if you would like to kind of hear and see what the words sound like, okay? That's kind of a funny story. So that is The Chills. So the next part of your classwork is this page. It has that word, it's 13.2, and it has that word chills. So go ahead and write the word on the line, put your name, and then you're going to draw a picture of the chills. So you can go back and maybe you want to draw Sam and Chad when they had the chills in the pond, or you could draw a picture of maybe yourself when you get cold, okay? But draw a picture of somebody with the chills. All right, and then for homework, 13.3, you're going to go back and read The Van. And we were supposed to read that last week. So go ahead and practice The Van again. And then 13.4 is all about your tricky words. So you're going to start down here at the rocket, and every time you read a tricky word correct, you get to color in the box. But you have to read the word first and then color in the box and see if you can make it all the way to the moon. Okay, I look forward to seeing this page and how beautiful it looks. I want to see how you guys can read all of our tricky words and get to the moon. All right, I know that's kind of a lot of pages for today, but that is it. All right, so good job, keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing your work.